Hi there, I'm so excited to show you our newest featured listing here set in the Ahwatukee foothills. I'm Natalie Fricke with the House to Home team and Keller Williams Integrity First Realty. Come on in. Upon entering the home, you are greeted with a wide open floor plan, ideal for family gatherings and year-round entertaining. You will instantly become drawn to that magnificent tiled wall fireplace. Prepare to be wowed when entering into the master suite. The master suite gives a resort feel with a combination of new modern finishes and a relaxing soaking tub. This home is located in Mountain Park Ranch, which is nestled in the Ahwatukee foothills, where you're only a few miles away from hiking and biking trails at the South Mountain Preserve. Ahwatukee is a highly sought after area because of the location, breathtaking desert scenery, and challenging golf courses. I invite you to explore this area. Thank you for coming for our home tour. I hope you enjoyed. Once again, I'm Natalie Fricke with the House to Home team at Keller Williams Integrity First Realty. Have a great day.